today I want to start mathematical logic. This chapter is from HSC 12th standard mathematics part 2. Today I am going to teach you. The chapter name is mathematical logic. In mathematical logic we have to know something important like that formula. You are able to see that is a formula. That formula means that is a rule. This rule you should know what is going to do in this. Always remember students, everywhere is a formula, as well as if formula is not anywhere, there is a system. Any system can be there, otherwise formula. Without that we are unable to solve the mathematical anything. So logic means what? Logic means we will think what can be, what is able to be. Therefore I will confirm everything you in this chart whichever I am going to make now. Suppose here is connective, here is connective, here is number I will write, here is connective, here I will write connective. After writing connective we have to take some place for symbol. What will play role symbol in this? Name of compound. The name is the chapter name is mathematical logic. Logic means anything is not confirm us, but we have some system. According to the system we will do and we will try to solve. First of all, I am going to write here first. In first, what will be? Here will first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, sixth. See the chart. I did write here number, connective, symbol, name of compound. What will be first of all? Suppose anywhere is written like this and in mathematical logic. In this logic chapter, if you are going to see anywhere is written like this and then in mathematical, how you will write? This is written in English, but in mathematical, in maths language, how you will denote symbol, and for and symbol is given like this. If you are going to find like this, then you are able to say and as well as this sign. This sign, if you will write and, it means you are writing this symbol. If you are going to indicate in this chapter. And what will be the name of the compound? This is called conjunction. Conjunction means this line and means grammatically you are frankly with this and is a conjunction which is going to join the two parts as well as two sentences. This is therefore you are frankly with this and anywhere is written and, it means and is going to join the two parts, two words, two sentences. Like that in mathematical, if you will solve the logic chapter, then you will write like this sign. It means you are saying that is your and. Okay, and this is called conjunction. And I touched to you in grammar, this is called conjunction. These both are the same. These three are the same. This is written in mathematical logic form, and this two is the indicator of you read it all in grammar. And second is our what is given, and after the and you have to write here or. If you will write or, then you have to use symbol of opposite of this. If you are going to use opposite of this symbol, it means you are going to say as well as you are directly saying this is your or. this symbol is indicator of or. If you are saying like this or you are using like this symbol, then its means is the same. This is written in mathematical and this is in English. And what this called? Disjunction. Disjunction. This is called disjunction. Next is our third one is like this. Be concentrate in students. I am today I thought I have to also start to teach 12th standard students because the exam is coming to near and I did not touch anything, but I thought I have to do something for the weak students. They are whichever students did not understand this all very better. Therefore, I think if students will see my this video or this chart how I am making and I am explaining, the student will be strong. I can't say the time is near about 5 or 6 days after the exam will start, but I can't explain everything better. But whatever I am able to do, I am trying to do for you, for weak students. See here students, here is a 3. Our 3 in third column, what I will write here? Not. Student, you are frankly with this in not is just negative. If you want to say anything, you don't want to do anything, you are unable to do anything. It means any negativity if you want to use, as well as negativity you want to show or indicate, there you are able to write not. But mathematical language you have to write like this. This is a sign of negative. This is the sign of negative. This is called negation. This is called negation. This is called negation. I think you students are understanding because I am very slowly explaining to you. And after fourth will come and or not, and next is if dash then. If you will find if dash then symbolic, what you will write, how you will write in symbolic, students, you will write like this arrow. If anywhere, if you want to indicate as well as you want to write if dash then means if at the place of dash you are able to write anything after the solving. Therefore, anywhere you will find if dash then you have to use symbol like this. This symbol will indicate if dash then. It means the both meaning is same. This is written in mathematical and this is written in our grammar form, ABCD form. And here is not using ABCD because this is a symbol and this is the words and this is what is the target of this all. The target is written here. Okay. Then what called this? This called conditional. It means if you are going to find anywhere arrow like this, then you are able to say, and you are also say like this. This is a conditional sign in the mathematical. Okay, beta. Chalo, come here. In the fifth is our last, which is given if and only if. If and only if. If and only if you are going to find anywhere, then this connective have also their symbol. This have also their symbol. It means arrow will be like this. The symbol will like this. Arrow will be both sides. Here was arrow one side, therefore that's called conditional, and arrow will both side, that will be biconditional. like this, you are able to write like this, or see here, one line, suppose if you will find like this, or you will find like this arrow, then you are directly able to say this sign is of biconditional. Then I have to write here biconditional. Biconditional. I did try to explain better as good as I am able to do. I did try. Once again, see with me. This is the connective. Connectives are written here, which is written in grammatically form as well as in English words form. And this all is the symbolic. If you are anywhere in mathematical, you are using like this, then you are saying the meaning of and directly or target you are able to choose like this conjunction. It's okay. And you are using like this, it means or. And you are using like this is a sign of negation. It means anywhere you, in the mathematical logic, anywhere you want to write something negativity you want to show there, then you will use like this, true, false, whatever, A, B, C, D. But before that, you have to use negative. This negation sign will indicate the given thing is in negative form written there. Okay, that I think I did try to explain this chart as better as my teachers. उनसे अच्छा I did try to explain you. But see here, you see this chart and be concentrate and don't worry. This is the base of logics mathematical, this chapter. If you know how to happening in this, then half of chapter you are already done. And after this I will explain also question in video, but now I have to explain something other thing. I am going to rough it and I will explain you some table. Table means not two table, table of 2 and 3. That table is not. I will make a column and I will write there something. If students whole year you did not done your study, then be concentrate with me. I trust you and or conditional by conditional negation. We will talk. I will say. I will make a chart separate for conditional by conditional and or as well as negation. Then see here, if anywhere in this chapter the chart was the first of base of your 50% you done. If you know and you are able to frankly with this chart and half of 50%, now I am going to explain you. And see here P and Q. P and Q. I did written here P, and this sign symbol is called and. After before some minute I did explain this. This if you are going to use this sign is indicator of and. Therefore, call this, what we are able to say here, this sign is a sign of and. Then be concentrate with me and you are able to also write there, this is called conjunction. 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 If you are writing conjunction, otherwise you are going to use like this, then you are able to write conjunction as well as this. But in mathematical we are using, then we have to write in in mathematical form, which is P and Q. Don't read this P line Q. P and Q is written here. And I have to make 4 chart, therefore I have to arrange all table here. P and Q, call this conjunction. Conjunction because and is a conjunction. you frankly with this in grammatically form. Then see here, here will be P, here will be Q, and here will be P and Q. Will like this. And what we will do after this? After this, I have to write here true, and in P column I have to write P T true. T means true, true, and here also false, false. It means the both of top will true, and bottom in bottom column 2 here is false, true or false. And here we have to write alternate, alternate true and false, true and false. Alternate means left one and right that. True, false, true, false. Understand or not? Here was both of top will be true, true, and bottom false and false. And what will be finally result in the this column, which was it called in conjunction? What will become here? True, true. What will be? If anything is true, then true. True, true will true. And this is the true, false, false. This is the rule of mathematical, this logic. I am unable to do anything. Then see here, false true will also false. If anyone is wrong and he is going to prove I am right because I am doing like this, like that, but anybody will not believe of them, anybody will not accept them. You are true. Once anyone is, you are known by anyone that you are wrong person, then anybody will not believe on you. Therefore, before you was bad, then again you are not good. True. If you are going to prove I am true, then people will tell you you are false. If anyone is wrong and wrong, then this time is also wrong. Okay, understanding or not? True, false, like this we have to write. Anything is true, false, false. And see here, P or Q. It means what conjunction? It means disjunction. Disjunction. Then we have to also make a chart like this. Be friend of mathematics. Okay, any teacher will not come to change your life or do anything. You are self everything. Okay, then see here. P here is write also P and Q, P or Q. Don't read it this V. This is not ABCD of V. This is a or. Okay, right here T. Both have T and false, false. And right here alternate true, false, true, false. Everyone is understanding or not? Then here true, true, what will be? True, true will true. True, false also will be true. False, true will true. And false, false will be false. This is the table. And we have to learn this table for our exam. And disjunction, after disjunction, what I tell you? Conjunction. Conditional. Then see here conditional. Conditional means we have to use sign like this. Then we are able to say conditional. Conditional. If we are going to find this sign, it means we are going to write about condition. How is condition in this table? See here and be with me. Be concentrate. I am making this table again. Then we have to write also here P and Q. P and Q. P and Q means P, or the second column you have to write Q. And here we have to indicate the condition. What is the condition between P and Q? P and Q. one side arrow is going to indicate condition as well as situation. Then see here, true, true, false, false, and write here alternate. True, false, true, false. Here is, don't use here your brain. Don't use here your mind. Write here both true and both false, and write here alternate true and false, true and false. And what will be true? True will be true. True will be true, and true false what will be? True false will false, and false true. Anyone was wrong, and again wrong. This thing is right. Therefore, false will be also true. Then see here. Second one is, what is second one? Second one is our by conditional. By conditional, what will be by conditional? In by conditional, we are going to find both side arrow. If we are going to find both side arrow, then we have to do like this. We have to make the chart like this. See here, I am making, and you see here. What will be here? See, 4, 3. See, this is for P, and this is Q, and this is for conditional, which I am going to explain you. See here, P. Write here true, true, false, false, and here write alternate true, false, true, false. And we have to use our mind only here in last line. We have to use here our brain. What will become? In both sides is a arrow, then this is the indicator of biconditional. Biconditional means arrow is a both side. Then true what will be? True will true, and true false will be false. Then false true will here I did wrong something. Here I have to write here this arrow P biconditional of sign, biconditional, P biconditional, Q I have to write here. Okay, whatever we are solving, that will come in our first column. Don't leave first column. Here will be true will true, and false here will false true will false, and false also true. Because suppose anyone was wrong, this time is also wrong, then again this will he can be wrong. Understand or not, Aditya? Then see here, this was our mathematical logic, conjunction, disjunction, conditional, biconditional, and 50% of logic chapter easily we are able to solve after knowing, if you know this chart as well as that before I did made that. And next video I shall try to explain the question and answers whichever is important for the board exam.